Let's go ahead and take a look at the past perfect in the context of actual sentences. So our first example, antes de tomar clases de español, ¿habías escuchado música de Latinoamérica? So here we have our past perfect phrase, okay, the imperfect form and the to form of haber, habías. Okay, and then we have our past participle of escuchar, escuchado, okay? So in English, this would essentially be before taking Spanish classes, had you listened to Latin American music or music from Latin America, okay? Habías escuchado. Now let's take a look at another example. Cuando mis compañeros y yo llegamos a Chile, nunca habíamos probado sopaipillas chilenas. Nunca habíamos probado sopaipillas chilenas. So again, we have our imperfect form of haber, in this case in the nosotros form, habíamos, and then the past participle of the verb probar, okay? Probado. Habíamos probado Chile. So in English, this would more or less be when my classmates and I arrived to Chile, we had never tried Chilean sopaipillas. This is actually true. Now, one important thing I want to point out about the past perfect is that it is a verb phrase and it can't be separated. So if we are using object pronouns, adverbs, negations, all of those need to be placed either before or after the entire verb phrase, depending on which one you're using. So here, if we wanted to make a negation out of this sentence, we could take out nunca and add no, okay? No habíamos probado sopaipillas chilenas. This still makes sense, but as you can see, the no goes before the entire verb phrase. Essentially, you're never going to put anything between these two components of the past perfect verb phrase. Now that we've looked at the formation and the use of the past perfect, you have the chance to practice again in the context of actual sentences. Good luck.